Alright, let's kick things off. Imagine a world in constant motion. Cargo ships crossing oceans, factories humming with activity, delivery trucks weaving through city streets, online shopping carts filling up, and yeah, robots zipping around warehouses. It's all happening every single day. Every product you use has a hidden journey, starting from raw materials, then moving on to factories, and finally, making its way to your doorstep. This is the story of the system that pretty much runs the world, but honestly, you almost never see it. Welcome to our series on real-world supply chains, where we break down the secrets behind how global giants like Amazon, Apple, Nike, and Tesla deliver products across the world. From sourcing and manufacturing to logistics and last-mile delivery, we'll show you how businesses predict demand, manage risk, and stay one step ahead. Supply chain, the hidden engine behind everything. If you've ever wondered how your favorite products arrive at lightning speed or how companies survive global disruptions, this series is for you. Subscribe, buckle up, and let's unpack the supply chain. From factory to front door, the journey starts here.